welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I will share with you immunity booster stir fried moth beans recipe. I have taken 200 grams sprouted matki. In order to sprout the matki, I had soaked the matki in water for 10 hours. Drain out the water and kept in a strainer for 12 hours like this. In a pot, add 2 glass water, add spoonful of salt and little oil, bring it to boil, then add sprouted moth beans. Over medium heat, cook for 6 to 7 minutes until the water dry up. Stir occasionally. We have to prepare some green chili and ginger. Prepare 4 green chili. Cut the chilies into rings. You can add chilies according to your taste. Prepare a piece of peeled ginger. Turn on the heat, put a kadai, add 4 tablespoons cooking oil. After oil is hot, add chopped green chili and curry leaves. Saute for few seconds, then add the grated ginger. Saute until it fragrant. Reduce the heat and add a pinch hing and half a teaspoon red chili powder. Stir well and cook until it fragrant. Then add half a teaspoon black salt. For making any stir fried recipe, black salt is good. Now pour the sprouted moth beans. Turn on high heat, stir well, give a good mix. Quick stir for 2 to 3 minutes by using 2 spatula. At this stage, don't reduce the heat. Continuous stirring will make your matki crisp and tasty. At last, add some lemon juice. You can replace the lemon juice with chaat masala. Mix well and spread the matki and cook for 5 minutes over low heat. Nutritious matki recipe is done. You can give it to your kids' tiffin box with chapati. Thanks for watching.